Hello students, how are you all? Let's continue the chapter triangles. Let's work out the problem given in exercise 2.5 and also a worked example in your textbook. Let us work out an example. If AD perpendicular to BC, prove that AB square plus CD square is equal to BD square plus AC square. Here the figure is given. Now let us prove this by using Pythagoras theorem. So solution. Now which are the right angle triangle over here? Can you see here ADB as well as ADC are the two right angle triangle. So now I will be taking triangle ADC. Now using Pythagoras theorem, you can see here ADC, it is right angled at D. So which is the hypotenuse? Now AC is hypotenuse. So what we know according to the Pythagoras, hypotenuse square, that is AC square is equal to sum of the other two sides, right? So I will be writing here AD square plus CD square. This is from Pythagoras theorem, using Pythagoras theorem, right? So this I will be taking as equation 1. Similarly, the another triangle, that is ADB. Now here it is also right angle, right? So which is the hypotenuse over here? Whether AB is hypotenuse opposite to D. So in triangle ADB, so using Pythagoras, once again I am writing here AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. AD square plus BD square. So again the reason is Pythagoras theorem. This I am taking as equation 2. Now we want here AB square plus CD square. AB square plus CD square. So what can be done? So we will subtract equation, subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. What we have now? 2, that is AB square left hand side minus AC square. Now right hand side AD square plus BD square minus, what is here minus? Minus AD square plus CD square. Now if you remove the bracket, let us see what happens if you remove the bracket. Can we cancel AD square and AD square? Yes, no? Yes. So the remaining things BD square, this minus into plus, that is minus CD square. Here it will be the same thing, that is AB square minus AC square. Now we want AB square plus CD square. Now if I get this minus CD square to left hand side, the minus sign changes to plus, isn't it? So I will be writing this minus as plus is equal to this minus. If I take it to the right hand side, the minus sign changes to plus sign. BD square, this I will be taking AC square. Now see children here, whether we have proved the thing, whatever is asked. Yes, no? So like this, by using Pythagoras theorem, we have proved here. Similarly, you will be getting lots of question related to Pythagoras theorem. Let us work out exercise problem, that is exercise 2.5, page number 58. Ninth question. This is an application question, that is of Pythagoras theorem. A ladder 10 meter long reaches a window 8 meter above the ground. Find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall. Here figure is not given. right? So these type of question, you need to draw the figure. Now you know that the window and ladder. Now how will you keep the ladder to the window? That is on the ground, right? So here is the ground and window 8 meter above the ground. So window is 8 meter above the ground. So this is ground. I will be naming this as BC. Now this is window. So this I am naming it as window. This is AB. Now window, what is the height they have given? The window height is 8 meter. Right? Now I will draw a ladder. Now have you seen ladder, how they keep to the window? They are keeping on the ground, leaning on the window or wall. Have you seen that, children? Yes, no? Now this is ladder. Okay, so ladder is kept like this. What we have to find now? The ladder is 10 meter long. That is also given. So this is 10 meter. Now you need to find the distance of the foot of the ladder. So which is the foot here? C is the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall. So this is a wall. It is, window is here. This is wall. Wall is always perpendicular to the ground. Right? Now carefully if you observe, we have got a right angle triangle ABC. Right? So right angle at B. So how to find the solution for this? By using Pythagoras theorem. So I am writing the solution using Pythagoras theorem. Using Pythagoras theorem. Here I am taking right angle triangle. In right angle triangle ABC. Here 10 meter is the what is that? Height of the ladder. It is opposite to right angle. So this is called as hypotenuse. Isn't it? This is hypotenuse. So we'll apply here. AC square is equal to, square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. AB square plus BC square. So we are finding now what is BC. We know that AC is 10 square, AB is 8 square, BC is not known. So you can take it as X also. If you want, you can take it as X also, or you can write as it is, BC square also. Right? Now what is 10 square? 100. What is 8 square? 64. Now I will bring that 64 to the right hand side. This becomes, the plus sign becomes minus, is equal to BC square. What is 100 minus 64? That is 36, is equal to BC square. Here I want only BC, not the square. So BC is equal to square root of 36. Square root of 36, if you take it out, this is plus or minus 6, isn't it? But we are taking only plus value. So I will be writing the height, not height, distance as 6. What is the unit over here? 6 meter. Therefore distance is 6 meter. So this is an application question based on Pythagoras theorem. Take down home assignment. State converse of Pythagoras theorem. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe. Have a good day.